welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to go to my Zumba class, so I will preparing to do my Dutch braid hair. And so for today's video, I'll be sharing you guys how I do my Dutch braid hair. So all you need is a rubber band, a comb like this, or any comb that has a pointed end like that, and of course regular comb to comb your hair first. So you guys ready? Let's do this. So first of all, you need to comb your hair. Make sure there's no tangles. Just comb it. Since I'll be doing it by myself, I'm just gonna try to make it straight as possible. So use this. Divide your hair into 2 equal parts. So I put it in the middle. So since I'm doing it, like I said, by myself, I'm just gonna try as much as possible to get it straight, especially at the back, since I can see it. Other side while I'm gonna do the first one. So unahin ko lang siya. So all you need to do is just brush your hair, and then I like to make like a triangle little piece of my hair from the front side, just like that. See guys? And then I just gonna go ahead and divide the hair that I pull into 3 equal parts. So just like that. And then from that, show you guys 3. I just go ahead first. I'll go on under, second, under again, and the third one, which is this one, I'll go start pulling hair from this front side and put them together. Pull it up, and then go ahead and get the other one. Pull it up and pull here again. Take that together, down, up, and put it the other one there, and get another hair. Try to hold your hair tighter as much as, or close to your head, so your braid will be tight and won't like loose. So get it again from here, and just like that, hold it up with your other hand, get another one here, and just like that, get another one, just keep the process repeat. Keep repeating the process, guys. Get here, take that with these hands and pull it up, this one up, and this one right there, and you could get another piece of hair here, put it there and bring it up, and just get another one again right here, and just bring it up. Just hold your hair tighter and closer to your head so it won't be loose, para hindi magluag guys ang inyong tarintas. just keep doing that. Just like that. I'll show it to you guys from back. Going on, keep doing the same process until we reach the end. Comes with the last piece. Okay, and then we're done. And you just keep going on and on. Braid it. Going down and down like that. Tighter. Just like that. And from that, I would like to put it on the front so I can see it. And I just continue it right like that. Just like that. You can see that's how it looks like. It's pretty easy. It just take practice. I don't know how to Dutch braid before. All I know is the French braid, and it's kind of confusing for from French braid to Dutch braid. But you just keep practicing it and you will get it. Keep practicing and you will get it. And the more you practice, the more it got more easier. And then rubber band and tie it here like that, and voila. So that's how I did my braid. So just get the little piece like that. You brush it, no tangles. Get those tangles away, we don't need those. And divide it again into 3. Just repeat the process. Done. Tapos na guys. Ito ang aking Dutch braid. Dito, ganito ang aking paggawa ng aking French braid sa aking buhok. I hope you guys like it. This is pretty much my to-go hairstyle whenever I go somewhere, mostly working out or Zumba. This is my favorite hairstyle that I wear pretty much most of the everywhere. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. So thank you so much again guys, and I'll see you again next time.